Y'all already see what time it is out here. Matter of fact, coming back this way with it. I'm parking back here. Oh yeah. Y'all already know how we coming. It's Mook in the V, gang. Yes, sir. Already know how little Mook in the V right here. He was a little tired, but he up now. We moving around. Put your hood on. It's a little cold out here. Oh man, the police just broke it up. Dang. We just got here. Yes, sir. Soon as I pull up. So this group of cars, we seen a group of cars when we left from over there. Yeah. We was following them, but they lost us over there by Causeway. But all these cars right here was just on the street. Hey, the law be on bullshit out here. God damn.
These people probably meet up at like 10 o'clock, 9:30. They chill up right here, bro, and the feds always pull up and pull up party.
That's fucked up. Why they do it? If ain't nobody own nothing, why
they all got systems in the back of their shit, bro, and they got maybe like 4 fucking 17s, 2 12s, and motherfucking a whole different bodies. Yeah, it's a whole thing.
Everybody dipping out of here. We just pulled up, too.
Yes, sir.
Hey, my man Pat put us on tonight, man.
Here, man.
Yes, sir.
Baby.
Yes,
Listen, all
sir.
I'm saying is my man Mook came out, man. We had to show him where the whip scene was.
Yes, sir.
More to come, man. More to come.
You got Instagram, anything you want to shout out?
Yeah. Hey, listen, man. Let me just shout out Melanin Bay Joe Cows, man. Go ahead and get you your chain, man. Things go to donation. Definitely check out Tropic Bull. Definitely check out Weed the Genius, man. Got to become conscious about the medicine we put in our bodies.
Yes, sir.
Leave the pills behind. Change up your attitude. Change up your mood. Change up your diet, man. I'll tell you, your life will get better.
Yes, sir. Right? Yes, sir.
Whips. We got food.
Yes,
we got
sir.
People, we got love out here.
Hey, what's that restaurant? We just ate that.
Manganadas, man. Mangonadas, bro. Listen, we got the birria tacos. Feed you right. We got
yes, sir.
We got the chimichangas. We got everything.
Yes, sir. No lie.
Yes, sir.
No lie. You want to say something, little homie? No, it's live out here, man.
That's the way you gotta get to.
Damn, I'm salty. They just got up out of here like that. I wanted to get a little walk around. Bro, I'm telling you, like at least 10 of these cars, we just seen them. Yeah. The bikes too.
We lost them like.
Yeah, remember all them cars and the bikes we just seen?
Yeah, we lost them a long time ago.
They was going toward Causeway. I wish
you might want to chill in that corner right there.
I wish I had my Jeep, man.
I'm telling you, bro. You might want to chill in that corner because they don't go hit that.
I would, but little homie right here, man, he don't know.
I feel that.
He don't know how to get out the way when it get real.
Yeah. You're gonna see some nice old schools.
Already know. It ain't just Chicago, man. It ain't just Chicago, man. You already know how they coming. Y'all already know how they coming. Florida ain't no different. Hey, because the cop just came through and left.
Just pushed them, yeah.
Hey, that's called the okie doke. Hey, they coming right back in, man.
That's how I made my Dragon Ball Z.
That's that Spanish scene. That's that Spanish scene. Got a lot of
hey, it be lit. Hey, don't nobody party like Spanish, bro. Latin up, boy, they be getting it in. Bro. I grew up with Mexicans across the street and Puerto Ricans on the side of me, bro. We got it in, bro. Oh my God. Oh yeah, it's lit. We finna walk down here. Come on, Cam. All right, come on. We walking down here. We got a burnout. We got a burnout. Go crazy. Go crazy then. Go stupid. Go stupid. You need to pay attention while we're out here, okay? There's a lot of cars moving around. We gotta make sure, you don't get hit, all right? So you just gotta pay attention. Stay close to dad, all right? Yeah, I know, man. Come on, let's get down there so we can hit him with the okie doke. Hit him with that okie doke. I know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all hit him with the okie doke, huh? You're over here on the other side of me, Cam. We lit in here. We lit in here. Y'all see how we coming? Hey, you need to put your mask on. Where's your mask at? Put it on. Florida light. I'm thinking about getting a custom system put in my Jeep because I got that hatchback. It's such a big area back there. I could do something crazy with it.
My car right now, though, you already get that bitch to my other one. I'm telling you, I rode my other car over.
Hell yeah.
I told him my whole 240.
So you know how to drift and shit. That's cold. Old schools. Ooh. Yeah, we ain't on nothing crazy. We ain't on nothing crazy. That joint right there.
See that Corolla? He got that Corolla? He got the system in the back of his car.
Them little joints like that be the ones. They the ones that got the shit in it. System, yeah, exactly. Since the system and the engine cost more than the whole car. Sure.
Somebody can see you gotta get out the door. I ain't
Okay. Mind if I get this on camera, bro? This more right here, nasty. Yes, sir. See this joint right here? R.I.P. to the guy. This joint right here is super clean. Come on, come on. Stay close to me. Stay on this side of me and stay close. I see what time it is. Got little folks down there. Got big bro right here. Anybody with they tag on they shit, I kind of go to them. But people who ain't got their tags on, motherfuckers be scared to get on the camera. I ain't mad at it. Yeah, that joint right there crazy. That's a scat pack. Get on this side. Appreciate you. That's a scat pack right there too. RT scat pack. I wish I had my Jeep out here. Oh my God. Definitely gotta raise somebody. It's live. Look, bro, whole front bumper off. He's still out here riding. Come stand up here, Tom. I want you to pay attention right here. Crazy right there, bro. If I ever can get my hands on an old school like that, that's like a, what, 50, 60 car? Woo. Is that Cadillac?
I think that's a
The one in the back? That joint crazy. Like you want to cut up or something? Go ahead and cut up then. That joint sound like it's finna blow up. I want them to start burning out doing donuts. That's good. What you say? I can't hear you.
I felt my guts dancing inside.
So you feel his guts dancing inside. Hey, that's how you shut shit down. Quick, one loop around, and I'm out of here. Hey, now we can. Hey, now we go again. We couldn't hear everybody for a long time. Hey, that's crazy. Like a couple videos out tonight. Shutting it down. That's probably about the same time. His car won't start. He pushing it, and the other dude steering. Push the start.